Hey, to set GIF as a wallpaper on the Opera GX, all you have to do is just open this website, sgif.com, and then you'll have to navigate into the WebP. Then select GIF to WebP and click to choose your file. In my case, I have to select my GIF. You can also go to show all files. You can go into the downloads and select your GIF. Click to open and now click to upload. Now just wait. From here, we can click to convert to web. There we go. And now click to save. Now it will save into your downloads. So all you have to do is just open your settings, then click to add your wallpaper and select your WebP picture. So from here, if you don't have it, just be sure that you are not selected on the archive. Just go for the wallpaper image, select it, click open, and now just click on it. And now we can actually find this wallpaper just right here. Let's do this one more time. There we go. So as you can see, that's how it works right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.